Want some water? Taryn, hey. Oh, too much water. Oh. Careful. You don't like those boots very much, do you? Are you going to swim now? Swim, swim, swim. Hey. Want some help getting up? Yay, we're clapping. Yay. Do you need a haircut, baby? Here. Oh. Okay, that was cleaned up. Yeah. Pants are falling off, kid. Anything else you can spill? Why, yes, I do, actually. Oop. Wipe out. One on your head? Here. Here, baby. And tomatoes on your head? See? Tomato. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can't be accused of having a flat head. Here. See? Oh, there they go. Taryn. Put it in there. How about this? Put the spoon in the cup. You don't want the spoon in the cup. I want the bun in the cup. How about the pickles? The bun's not going to fit. Oh, good job. Put everything back so we can go. Put everything back in. Put back in the bins. There, clean up. Clean up, baby. That's not cleaning up. Oh. Back in there. Put it in. Put it in here. On your head. Cheese. For me? Here, one on your head. Oh! Don't be silly. I only put tomatoes on my head. Don't be ridiculous. Anything other than tomatoes on your head doesn't make any sense, does it? Say bye-bye. Taryn, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Taryn, bye-bye. Hey, Taryn.